Alright guys, I'm going to run the mini here for the JJ Watt helmet. We're going to let the time go to 7:11 and then we're going to go live. Let this click over here. Alright, 7:11, we're going to type live on the post. We are live. 7:11, 7:11, grab the list. Got the list here, 25 spots, top, second, last. Alright. Drop it in, 25 entries, 2 dice, 5 or higher. 6 is good, here we go, 6 times, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, it's 5 times, nice, 6, nice click. And 6 are done. Jake is the winner, Joel Niebuhr is second, and then finally on the bottom, Doug Thomas. We are done, 7:11, it's about to click over to 7:12. We will type done. We are done. 7:11, it still didn't refresh on my end, but it's all time stamped. Here's the 7:11, and we are done. I will upload it.